In our past, you'll find lessons that are good to learn, patterns that are fit to follow, and the spirit of a people that are not only worthy of our study, but our salute. A century ago, in basements and garages all across our region, inventors designed and innovated and gave birth to business and little ideas that turned into big deals, and prosperity followed. All that invention led to a big boom of industry, and our region prospered. Cycles of life, shifts in focus, and changes in our world altered the landscape eventually, though, and hard times followed. Families, a whole generation of families, felt the shift, and it was difficult. Funny thing about life, though, the seeds of our successes are often planted in times of despair, times of trouble, and it's happening again. That spirit and the chase. Not in the form of steel plants and auto industry, monumental visions that dominate the landscape, but it's happening again in the tiny palm of our hands, like a 3D heart beating with excitement, or a prosthetic ready to reach and grab the next ride we call innovation. The opportunity to invent again is here. The Genesis moments